What's up everyone, and welcome to this tutorial on how to wipe your Mac clean and reinstall macOS from scratch. To follow this tutorial, you'll need a bootable installer already set up on an external drive. If you need to set one up, please see the tutorial link below on how to create a bootable installer for macOS, and then return here. So let's get started. First, we need to determine whether you're using a Mac with Apple Silicon, commonly known as the M1 chip, or an Intel processor. We can do that by going to the Apple, then select About This Mac, and you'll either see an item labeled Processor for Intel or an item labeled Chip for the M1 computers. Now we want to know this because that makes a difference in how we display and select the bootable installer once connected. In this case, we are working on an Intel-based Mac. Start by connecting the bootable installer to your Mac. Once that's connected, and if you're using an Intel-based Mac like this one, you are going to press and hold the Option key immediately after turning on or restarting your Mac. Release the Option key when you see a dark screen showing your bootable volumes. Next, select the volume containing the bootable installer, and then be sure that your computer is connected to the internet. Once those things are set, you can click the up arrow or press return and your Mac will restart. This will bring you to the macOS Utilities screen. If you want to reinstall your operating system, but leave your files in place, you can skip the next step and fast forward to the installation process. Your user accounts and files will stay exactly where they are, only your operating system will be overwritten. However, I still recommend backing up your files before you do any of these steps, just in case. If you want a truly clean installation, you'll need to first wipe your hard drive. To get started, click the Disk Utility option, then click Continue. You'll now see your list of volumes. Be sure that the View menu has Show All Devices selected. Then, select your primary drive and click Erase. You'll have an option to provide a name for the volume, set the format, and set the scheme. If you want to know more about available formats, then see the description below. In this case, I will set the name to Macintosh HD, leave the format as APFS, and leave the scheme set to GUID. Then click Erase. The disk utility will start formatting the drive. Once complete, click Done. The drive should now be completely erased and freshly formatted. We can now quit the disk utility. Now we're ready to proceed with the final step, installing the macOS. From the macOS utility screen, select Install macOS and click Continue. This will launch the macOS installer, and you'll press Continue to begin the installation. You must first agree to the software license in order to proceed. You'll get an option to choose the drive that you are installing the new macOS onto. So you will select the Macintosh HD volume that we prepared in the last step, then click Continue. The installation process will continue from here and may take up to 30 minutes or more. The process may even restart your computer several times. I'm going to fast forward from here. I'll see you at the end. And there you have it. You are now ready to set up and personalize your new macOS installation. Have fun, and I'll see you next time.